Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google account on iPhone 17. Friends, you can use various Google service like Gmail, YouTube, Google Photo by signing the Google account on your iPhone. To add a Google account, open your iPhone settings. After opening the settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you find apps. Now tap on apps. After opening the app list, scroll down and find the Mail apps. Now open the Mail app. After opening the Mail app, tap on the Mail account. Click on Add Account. You can add different type of account like iCloud, Microsoft Exchange and Google from here. Now we will add the Google account. Tap on it. Enter your email ID here. Then click on Next. Now enter your Google account password and click on Next. Signing to iOS. Now tap on Continue. iOS wants access to your Google account. Now click on Select All. Then scroll down and again tap on Continue. Guys, your Gmail, contact and calendar are now synchronized. You can also synchronize your Google Notes. Now tap on Save. Your Google account has been successfully added. In this way, you can add multiple Google accounts by clicking on Add Account. If you want to remove a Google account from your iPhone, click on Gmail. Then click on Delete Account. After that, Google account will be removed from your iPhone. Guys, now open the Mail app on the home screen. After opening the Mail app, you can access your Gmail from here. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.